That'll be fine. Okay, so this one's limited edition. So it means you're getting 2 in the box. It says dual combo, probably on the front as well. Yeah, dual combo, limited edition.
It's not like the Zokimura has the 2 different sizes in it.
2 different what?
Different scale.
Ah, that's not really limited edition.
I mean, like, for the dual combo from the Eduard, they have the same 1/48 scale.
They have the exact same molds. They have 2 of the exact
see.
same molds. You just get to choose the different decal options.
Yeah.
So let me zoom out here and prepare this one for video.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this. I'm loving this new cut feature, not the fade one. So you're getting 2 identical sprues of cockpit, 2 identical sprues of fuselage.
Yeah.
I'll just quickly go in here. This is a newer mold by Eduard, and the see if I can zoom in even more. The rivets and stuff are just fantastic on this.
Yeah.
You can barely see them to the naked eye, but under this light, you see that there, all those rivets.
Very nicely detailed.
They'll really pop with a panel line wash.
Haha.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
And then you've got the wings, getting 4 sprues in here.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to zoom out. Uh-oh. Zooming out. You've got your wings, you've got your drop tanks, and then you've got your cowling and all your interior bulkheads, instrument panel, which is an interesting point because in these kits you get photo-etch. And the photo-etch has instrument panels, as you can see here. So you can use those and all the interior parts, seat belts, all of this. This is 2 identical because you're getting 2 in the kit.
Yeah.
You get masks for the kit.
2 of them.
2 of them. Okay. 2 of everything.
Okay.
You're getting a big booklet, very comprehensive booklet. So it's in the front. You get a nice history of the aircraft. The Wildcat at Midway. Battle of Midway was a very well-known battle that happened in Midway during the Second World War in the Pacific, in which these took place. Very grueling battle here, as you can see.
Yeah.
The USS Yorktown hit by the Japanese carrier Hiru. Hiru.
Yeah, I see.
Is that right?
Yeah.
There you go. And then it was leaning. It was on a lean.
They even got the photo for that.
Yeah, they got a photo of that because the Americans, it was a big feat. You know, it was.
Yeah, fair enough.
They were attacked quite heavily.
Yeah.
So here we go. These had a very interesting, unique feature where it took like 100 and something turns to wind the gear down.
Yeah.
Manually. In the cockpit, you had to wind a crank
Oh,
next to your leg and use to lower the landing gear. So yeah, you could lower them there.
Yeah.
And then the wings and everything going together. Big cowling. You're going to have all this to go through. You can upgrade with lead wire and whatnot. You have a nice little scope.
Yeah.
They had like a scope that you could put your eye up to put the aircraft down.
So they even do the details for that tiny little.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then this is for the F4F. I believe it's a different type of model.
Yeah.
With a couple different interior parts and whatnot. Different wheels. Putting that all together.
Yeah.
So this is the F4-3, very early model aircraft with the scope, and then the other one didn't. It had a different shaft and a different cockpit at the front. So that's really early. A lot of the early model US aircraft had yellow wings for identification. And then we've got another one over here in the standard US. What is it? US Army Air Corps or US Navy.
Oh. That's
scheme
later
there.
than the yellow wing.
Yeah, a little bit later. And then over here, we've got another 3A. And then we've got the schemes for some more 3s.
Yeah.
And then we've got the 4s over this way. Had a different shaft and whatnot.
Yeah.
No scope on the canopy.
Yeah.
There you go. Very complex.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. Look at all those schemes. So you get all of those schemes in one box you can choose from. Crazy, right?
Yeah.
So that's something that the other editions of the kits don't offer. Don't forget to put those in there.
Yeah.
We'll do that.
Oh,
that's not the right box top. And that is a limited dual combo by Eduard. In case any of you are wondering.
Yeah.
What have you got?
Okay. The next thing is